Okay guys, today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial of something random. First, on your keyboard, press Windows R. Type CMD, enter. Click F11. Type color 2. 10. Type dir/s, and it reads all of your files on your computer. If you have a newer computer, it might not take as long, but if you have like a older computer for many years, it could take like 10 minutes, up to 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.